Hello, my daily coders. Welcome to April. Today is April 1st, and we have a brand new calendar for LeetCode. So, the question for today is question 58 Length of last word. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Okay, so we know there are only spaces and characters. So the intuition is just to... Oh, I see. They have like messed up examples. So we need to strip our input to get rid of white space, and then split by space, and then get the last element of the split array and count the length. So the runtime is O of 1. No, that's not right, because we have to split by space. So I'm pretty sure the split function would have to check every character. So let's just say the runtime would be O of n, and the space time would be O of 1. Okay, so S equals S dot strip. Strip our input, and then our split list, we'll call it splice, S dot split by space, and then we just return the length of the last element. And let's check if it works. It works. Let's check this input and this one. Cool. Submit. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.